Now?
Now you are visible. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Good
So are you
afternoon.
YouTuber? Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Being a housewife, I have so many works, and
I
today is
also.
Sunday. That's why whole
You
day
are free.
is exhausted. Yes,
Yes,
not
because you have
free.
to do. Yes, you have
Yeah.
to do more work on Sunday.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
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 I have seen.
absolutely.
Are you doing job?
Yes,
Are you doing job?
yes, I'm working.
That's why. If they are doing job, they get to work on Sunday more. I've seen many people. Yes,
Yes,
it happens
yes,
with
all
all.
pending work will complete on Sunday. Yes.
Yeah. You know what happened that in Agra, I am living in Agra. There doesn't go
Okay.
light, but now today light went suddenly. That time was my session time. It went suddenly. So I was thinking that
Okay.
I am unable to take session, but I took
Power
someone
went off.
phone. Yes, I took someone phone and I connected. Then I am making session.
So I'm very curious to know about. Tell me something about yourself. What
Yes,
are you
my name is
doing and your name and your
my name is
children?
Jyoti Sharma. I live in Agra. I have a daughter that is 5 months. I have done my graduation. Now I am not doing anything. I have opened my YouTube channel. I am working on that because you
Okay,
know
okay.
that if we have done study, if we are not doing anything, we forgot all things.
Yeah, it's
It
happening.
happens with
If we leave in a touch in our syllabus and good, then it's working. But after
yes,
long gaps, maybe we will forget all these things.
yes, it happens. If we have done a study, so we should use that. We should do something.
Yes. So how's your channel? Is it growing or not?
Yes, it is growing. I opened my channel before 2 months.
Okay. And how
Yes,
many subscriber you get nowadays?
I have 235 something like that.
Okay. So what's your qualification? You are a BA.
Yeah. Yes, I have done graduation BA from KR Girls College that is in Mathura. Before married, I live in Mathura, but I got married in Agra.
Oh, so you upload video daily basis?
Yes, I upload whenever I get time. I upload daily.
And
I do not edit. My husband edit. I only make because I cannot do more work in one time because I have to handle my baby also that is 5 months. That's
okay,
why.
your husband edit your video.
Yes, he helped me.
Oh,
Yes,
that's great. That's great thing. Because
because I alone I
it's
cannot do. Without supporting, we cannot do anything.
yes,
Support is
absolutely.
very necessary.
So what app you mostly use? Which app you mostly use to edit and
Uh,
for thumbnail?
Canva, Canva.
Canva use in mostly we will use only laptop or mobile.
No, in mobile we can also use.
But
Canva is
there is
good.
I think paid also.
No, that is free. Canva is
So
a
what's your
free.
channel name?
My channel name is Improve with Jyoti.
Improve with Jyoti. Oh, that's
Yes,
amazing.
yes. I choose
So
that now. There is no one has that name. I choose different one.
yeah, I saw one of channel improve your English, but improve with Jyoti is different.
Yes, that is different. So I saw that there is no my name channel. There is no one.
Yeah, we have to select same unique channel name because
It looks
sometimes
good.
searching,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, like there is some SEO problem when we select particular name and unique name. That time it's good for our SEO, and people search
Yeah.
you with your name. Sometimes we just reinvent the channel, like a copy to other channel. So while searching, it's feel, feel sometime hinder, like difficult. So we have to choose a particular channel name.
Yes, it looks good and we can get easily if we are searching.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
it is different.
So
So,
let me know something about your what's the favorite thing do you like most in your city?
yes, in my city.
Yes.
So I am living in Agra, but not I do not go anywhere because after getting I got married in 2022 January. After that, I born a baby that is 5 months now, so I did not go anywhere. I thought that she will grow some, then I will go somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
So
went
after
only Firozabaad,
when
that is very baby. Only one place I went, and there is Kailas Mandir also here. So I went there. Only two ways I went after marriage because I did not get time.
oh yeah, I know I can understand because I have also baby. So being a mother, we
Yes,
have so many responsibility to
yes,
tackle children and to making our household chores and to handle all household works and family and children also. So it's difficult
yes,
to manage all these things in good manners. So you can say we are versatile personality, and you also because you have a channel and you have a small baby, and while you are
yes,
conversation also, so it's good thing.
yeah. I do not make more conversation because I don't have enough time. I take only one, two session daily basis. Because if I take more session,
So
I will not give time to my baby. And I have to do work, house chores also.
yes, yes. So what do you do in order to learn this language? Nowadays,
I'm
you
not
are very curious to learn this language and to conversation people. So what do you do?
yes. So I don't do more work because I make conversation and somehow I get time. I practice for listening. But I have a problem, big problem that I am not getting vocabulary. If that is my big problem. If I
So how
get, so
long
I
you have been learn this language?
I started before 2 months. Then I started my channel. That
Okay,
time
you
I was not
started with
able to
your
speak.
channel.
Yes, that time I was not able. What I do, I first I lock that door. Then I make conversation, and at that time I was not making conversation. Only I was uploading that grammar rules like that. But now I started conversation. By that I am improving. I have seen myself. That time I had hesitation. I could not speak. But that time I started my conversation. Now I am able to speak. At that time I could not speak. If someone is sitting front of me, then I could not speak. But now I don't care that someone is sitting front of me and near me. Yes,
Okay. So it's a good thing, and day by day, slowly and gradually, our confidence level will be increased, and it's good thing. So you start your English journey with YouTube channel. So what did you
yes.
do firstly? Initially, what did you do? Like you firstly read grammar rule and audio call. Like nowadays, so many apps available in for audio conversation. So what did you do initially?
I did not use any app. Now I
Okay.
used only Skype app that is for conversation only. Before I have seen many people are using their video call and YouTube audio call. Yes, by that they are improving. But I did not do like that. I improved by myself, and now I am making conversation. By that I am also getting something new. We if we talk with other people, we get that how can we make conversation And how can we know about other people? Able to see you because someone call was came. That's why now I am visible. And
Now
was I visible
and
that
then
time?
yes.
Okay. Call was coming that session. I had 2 o'clock. She was calling me. That's why
Okay,
I
okay. So
because
I would like
I
to ask you one thing. What type clothes do you like most? Like, what's your favorite outfit in which you feel comfortable?
comfortable. I feel in lower and t-shirt, but I cannot wear in sasural. We can say this thing. So
Oh,
in comfortable, I at home before married, I also comfortable feel in lower t-shirt.
okay. But
Yes.
what's your favorite, traditional clothes and party wear? So, in which you feel very good and you feel very enthusiastic, like
Yes.
confidence
I,
level automatically build up, increase
yes.
when wear some new clothes. So, what's
Yes.
your favorite cloth?
Yes. I like sari because after marriage it looks good if we are going in party, if we are going anywhere. So sari looks good.
Yeah, yes, yes. So, you mostly wear sari in your sasural, you can say in-laws place.
Yes. Some people I have seen that they allow only sari. Yes.
Yes.
They do not allow suit and they do not allow gown as well. Because at my home there is not like that. If you are going in party, if you are going temple, so you can wear sari. That my place. It it tell.
That's good thing. Actually, I also mostly at home when I at home that time I mostly like sloopy outfit. You can say sloopy outfit, which is very comfortable, in which you feel very comfortable. So that is called sloopy outfit. And when it's come to go anywhere outside, like traveling for kids and for family members, that time I mostly prefer they are also sloopy outfit, but not very tight, like loose kurti and maybe loose top and jeans. And when it's come to party, then I mostly like party wear suits and party wear sari. So yes.
Yes. Before married, I do not wear that suit. I like to wear only jeans. I like to wear t-shirt. I do not like more top as well. I like t-shirt, jeans, shirt like that. After married, I am wearing suit, but now that time I do not like.
Okay. You didn't like. Okay.
Yes, yes, it was past.
Yes,
We
yes, yes. So
know
you can
everything.
call with me for practice basis because I have a time after 4 o'clock.
Okay,
It's
anytime.
doesn't matter you want to upload your video or not. You can just
Yes,
start conversation. I have women groups for conversation,
okay.
so you can connect for daily basis. It's better for you to improve your communication also, and maybe simultaneously you just get new word daily basis. So it's
Yes.
good for you also.
Group discussion.
It's a group discussion also, but I have a women group like this all are YouTuber and they also learner and they have a conversation. They want to conversation. So feel free to them. Yes, all are learner.
Okay. On Raksha Bandhan, I will go at my home. So I will get gap to
Yes,
three,
yes.
four.
After Raksha Bandhan, after Janmashtami, and whenever you feel free, just drop me message firstly, and
Okay,
I
I
will
will.
let you know my timing. Okay.
Okay. So after
Yeah.
4, you can any day.
Yes. After
Okay.
4 o'clock. Yes, any day.
Do you have any other session?
No.
Only
Nowadays
one?
I'm not uploading and no session. I just drop message. After that I make just arrangement for 5 o'clock, and maybe I will be free, and maybe 7 o'clock. So I just want to continue this conversation, because while conversation and while speaking English, our mouth and our muscles also stretching. And when we leave this all this conversation, so we just leave our habit also. So I want to make habit for speaking, not only, not another purpose. Give
Okay, it
me
is good.
my cap.
Yes. By making conversation, we improve a lot. I have seen.
Yes, and it's a good thing if you just check yourself, if you are not conversing to other for 1 week and you are not speaking.
And
So
if
after
I
1 week you feel yes, after 1 week you feel very low and your confidence level automatically decrease and you forget whatever you learn new. So you forget.
yes, if I do not make one day conversation, so I feel very hesitation. What should I speak? I forgot everything in one day as well.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, yes. So it's a
we should
happening because we are
make.
human beings. So we have to sustain our practice and our continuity. So this is matter.
Yes, we should make a conversation regularly. It
You
should
want
be
to
if
speak?
we are making one session daily. It is good if we are making one session. So by that we get
Yes, yes,
time to.
yes, yes. So I will let you know. Maybe like after Raksha Bandhan, you just want to have a conversation with me on 8th September, 9th September. So firstly, drop me message at the night time. So I will make session with you next day. Okay.
Okay.
Only for practice. It's nothing any purpose to upload and anything. So if you have a purpose to learn, upload, so you can upload.
Yes, if you have new words, we can discuss in that because I have big problem that I have no dictionary like that. I'm not getting new words. I'm not using them. If I get, I'm not using. This is my big problem.
Because we did our old study in our native tongue. So I also done my old study with the Hindi medium. So that's
Yes,
why English is not our mother tongue. And always we use at home also Hindi language. So English is different. So we have to firstly make habit. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
If you get,
So I want
oh,
to give you one topic exercise. So you just collect 5 to new vocabulary and some new line in this
now
conversation.
take a notebook if you are getting new words, so use that in your conversation and tell them person also if that doesn't know and use also by
Yes.
taking notes.
So when we our next session will be going on, that time you just use new 2 3 vocabulary. Okay.
Yes.
So exercise is a topic and yoga exercise, Zumba. So we will discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day. Wonderful
Okay.
session with you.
Conversation. Bye bye.
Bye bye.